Well, here's my weed-free lawn. You may be wondering how I keep it that way. The answer is I use weed-killing products. But many weed-killing products I used had their limitations. One product I particularly like to use, and I've just recently discovered it, which will kill clover, is RoundUP. Kills the weeds, not the lawn. I particularly like this product because it's given me success where others have failed. So what I do, just put it on a bit of clover. Feeling a bit sorry for itself. What I do is I just spray the affected area, usually after every cut, with weed killer. Give my clover the treat it deserves, because it has no place in my lawn. For other videos, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.